Do you guys ever just lie around wishing that you could do something different with your hair? Because it's always down and just so boring. Well, do I have a look for you guys to make hair gorgeous? Alright guys, so let's do something different with this hair because it needs to change. Alright, so we're going to start by parting your hair down the middle. This is going to give you two sections to work with. So you're going to take these smaller hair ties, grab one section of your hair, pull it down to the bottom of your neck, and do almost like pigtails, but then when we pull it back over, we're going to create small buns on either side of your head. Alright, so we're going to take another hair tie and do the same thing that we did on the other side to this side of the head, pulling it back, tying it, and then pulling it through, but not all the way, to create a bun on this side. Just kind of situate a little bit, and then there you go, you got some interest on both sides of your head. Looks super cute. Alright, now we're going to take the same two pieces, keeping the hair split like before, but instead of putting the hair down, we're going to this time put the hair up to create kind of like space buns. Once again, tying the hair, twisting it over, and not pulling it all the way through to create the bun. Doing the same thing on the other side of the head. This one can get a little bit more difficult because you can't really make them the same spot on your head, but it's super cute still looks really nice. Now we're going to do a twist on what we call the pineapple. So we're going to pull the hair up on top of your head, loosely tie it, and to change it up, I'm going to be taking my silk scarf, tying it in half, and creating a triangle shape. Then once it's on my head, I'm going to tie it above my bangs just because that's how I like it. Right behind my ears. And then double knot it at the top, just so it stays in place. I'm pulling the back part down, tucking it in, and then tucking these pieces in at the top, and then I'll fasten this with bobby pins just so it stays in the hair. And there you have it. So next, we're going to still take the scarf, but we're going to roll it up a few times, and then we're going to place it on the center of my head and tie it in the back of my head. Now I can keep my hair up, it creates interest, or if I decide, I can pull the pony out and use it as more of like a headband look on my hair, just to get some cute interest. This time I'm using barrettes and bobby pins to pull my head back. If I had colored ones, I give them too, just to, touch up the outfit, make it connect, make it super cute, and then also, hold the hair back because usually it gets in your face too much, and there you go. Here's the barrette, so just whatever you like, what interests you like better. And now, if you don't like the small hair ties, you can always change them up with scrunchies to give more interest. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe down below and like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!